Hi, good morning. Today I have 220D X-Drive 2016, and the customer is complaining regarding of you can see the sign is coming on the dashboard, square vehicle or with park brake stationary. The problem is in the car, because when you put in the park, and then you can, if the car is in the park but the computer not showing the car is in the parking and the message coming on the screen. So first we have to diagnose, and when we diagnose it, if you can see you, if you can go there, and okay, we're gonna do auto scan, then we're gonna see. You can see here, we go to that thing, and then you're gonna see what code is coming on there, and we'll okay, you can see here, leave it that two codes on the top one. If you can see here, EGS, electronics transmission management, you can see the code coming 420106, shift lock solenoid lever, selector lever wrong not lock in P. That's the problem, and the problem is in the gear selectors, because the problem is the gear selector, the levers is go in a park, transmission gearbox is in the park, but the gear selector is giving a signal to transmission ECU to check where is at the moment lever. That is not working. Like if you put in P, is not showing, is not giving a signal the car is in the park, and you can see the message coming on the dash is like that. So this is the problem. And driving is okay, no problem is in the driving, but the problem is this. So if we gonna try to erase the code, and we can erase the code, but the problem is this problem will come back when you put in a drive. If you have the problem is like that, you have to bring the gear selector to us, or you will bring complete car. It's take 5 to 6 hours. We can ready your car in the same day. My name is Terry. We are in Hounslow. My postcode is Tango Whiskey 33 Tango Tango 167 Hanworth Road, Hounslow Motor Limited. You can see my review, and my phone number is 07402536382, and you can bring the car. Is better you can bring the car, and we're going to take it out the selector, refurbish it, and give you the warranty as well, and then we're going to put it back. Or you can bring the selector, is up to you. So you can contact me through WhatsApp, email, or you can call me and book the appointment, and we can do same day your job. Thanks for watching my video. Bye.